Okay, next question. Nabanggit mo about the 13 tribes na
Islamized.
mag-unite, then decide finally. Isn't it also a question, relevant question na, you think of the 13 tribes, you should also think of the other non-Islamized tribes. So,
Exactly.
later on,
Yeah.
di ba? Later on, homogeneous na yung indigenous people. Kasi nga may conflict nga, kaya medyo kailangan step by step. No? So once you have agreed, hopefully that the 13 tribes will agree, okay, let's forget that yung pangalan na galing sa labas. Let us start from our own, and we call ourselves as ano ba? O basta we are all indigenous people, we are all Lumads. And now you can easily level up with the other Lumads.
Yes, that's true.
Diba? Because all of us ngayon are Lumads.
Yes.
Regardless of religion.
We are Lumads actually.
We are actually Lumads. By birth, we are Lumads. And yung religion naman ng Christian, galing din sa labas.
Yan na nga
It is not inherent to the culture.